In this video, I'll show you how to add related post section in WordPress blogs. Let's get started. So in order to do this, you need to head over to your WordPress marketplace and search in here for YARP. So YARP is actually an abbreviation for yet another related post. This is a plugin by YARP itself, so click on this right here. And then once you have clicked on it, you should be able to just head over and install and activate it. So in this case, click on this install and activate, and then this will install this plugin. Click on this install option, and then from in there, it will install itself. Now in here, let's head over to our posts in order to see all of the posts that we have. Now, once you have clicked on it, let's head over to a post, like for example, this maps post right here. Let's head over and view this. So let's click and click on open right here in order to see what it looks like. So this is the view page, and when you scroll on to the very bottom, you can see in here the related post has been added on the very bottom. And now this will actually automatically categorize everything in order to add this particular feature. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so if you leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.